Hey, what's up, Amazon KDP booksellers? Check this out. I'm on Toolshelf and I'm going to go into the interior generator. Let's say you want to create a low content book. I'm going to add more to this. So for right now, when making this video, I got line journal, dot grid, graph grid, and blank sketch. Okay. So let's say I'm making a 6x9 or 8.5 by 11. These two are the most popular ones for these types of low content books. Let's go. It was a 6x9. Let's go. I'm making a diary of sorts. Page count 100, or let's make it, I don't know, uh, 89. Why not? Click download, and I download that. And you can see I have my line journal, okay, or diary, I should say. Okay. You can put some really cool pages in front, make it more decorative, whatever you want. Again, another cool tool, another great way to create what's called a low content book. Now, to be honest, I stopped creating low content books a while ago. I only create mid content, like puzzle books, coloring books, and high content, actual stories. Now that's what I create. I used to create lots of low content, and those sold. And you still can sell them. There still are low content sellers. I'm just letting you know in advance that I don't. I do have members with my software that they still do, but I don't. Okay, so if you want any more low content types here, line journal, doc grid, graphs, blank sketch, let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to add it. If it's a low content type, I'll happily add it to this tool. Okay, see you in the next video. Be good.